How to integrate Gemini AI with Workspace. Welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video. If you're trying to integrate Gemini AI with Google Workspace, let me show you the steps that you need to follow. If this video sounds helpful, make sure you watch it till the end and let's get straight into it. First thing you want to do is open up gemini.google.com. Once you're on this interface, head over to settings on the bottom left and then here you'll see the option called apps. Click on the apps option and under the productivity section, you'll see the option of Google Workspace. By toggling on a single option, you'll be able to enable the entire Google Workspace within Gemini AI. So make sure that this is toggled on and let me now show you a quick example of how you can use it. First of all, you'll need to type in an @ so that it's going to show you all of the available workspaces. For example, if you want to do something with Gmail, type in Gmail and then add in your prompt. So I've typed in check in my Gmail and summarize the most important emails from the past 2 days. So this is just an example. You can use it however you want for Gmail or any other workspace that Google provides. Once I add in this prompt, it's going to check for the most important emails that may need my attention within the past 2 days. If there is a particular email with this request, it will show me in this section. Similar to Gmail, you can use it for any other application that Google provides, even YouTube. And there you go. That was a video about the way that you use or integrate Gemini with Google Workspace. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.